Hey guys, Andy here. Now, as I've already found out with my Pixel 3 XL, it's good to keep it protected. I picked up that dink very early on, actually taking the photos for the thumbnail for the video. It basically blew off the wall, not good. So it is good to have protection. I'm not a massive case fan, but actually, not just because of that dink, I am more and more getting used to using them, just to look after your device. It is a shame because the Pixel 3 XL, I mean, it is such a beautiful device that you think, oh, I don't really want to cover it up. But I know there's many of you out there do cover them up because of the safety factor. So the good people at Poetic have sent me a couple of cases. These are the Guardian and the Revolution. So just once more, this one is the Poetic Guardian. They are available on Amazon. We see here how to fit it. This is the full all-round cover, so it's got a kind of a screen protector on the front as well. They're basically just under £17 on Amazon. They come in different colours. Now I have to be careful because I think last time I fit one of these protectors, actually I hurt myself because they are quite, I mean, as I guess they should be. They're well fitted in there. Right, let's get the sponge element out of the way. And then, in theory, that's going to pop. So let's just test the fingerprint sensor. That's fine. The screen. Just make sure we're fully clipped in. There we go. No issues, it would seem, with sensitivity on the screen. The cutouts for the cameras and speaker at the top there look very well lined up, as they do at the bottom. We have access to the charging port just there. Let's check the... So that all looks very nice actually, and it certainly feels well protected. There's a decent level of protection all the way around on that. So let's see now how easily I can get the thing back off. That's where I hurt myself last time, I think. There we go. Come on, there we go. Wow. There we are. Oh, I'm not sure what we've done on the front. You can see the buttons go through the front case, so to speak. There we go. So that one was the Guardian. Now let's take a look at the Revolution. So this one's got a stand on it. Let's just put it all back in again. Quite reassuring actually how hard it is to get it all into the case, because you know it's in there good and proper then. I think I'm preferring this one actually. Which one are we on again? The Revolution at this point. Again, comes in different colours. This one's white, blue and black. Obviously this one is black. This one has a kickstand that should... There we go. So that's quite handy. I quite like that. Yeah, I think this would be the case I would be going for if I were you. This clicks back into place around the back. No problems with the touch sensitivity on the front. Obviously, as with the previous one, the cutouts all look very good. Volume and power. Cutouts around the back. Entry for the charging point. So yeah, that's actually a really nice case. Really nice case. So there we go. These are by Poetic. They are available on Amazon. I'll leave a couple of links in the video description down below. If you're going to buy one, please do buy from my links because I get a few extra pennies. Thank you very much for Poetic for sending me these. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, but for now, my name's Andy, and I'll catch you all again soon. Well done, and thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, you might want to click the little fellow that should hopefully appear about here to subscribe. You may also want to check out some of my other videos, which are going to appear somewhere there. Also, come and have a look at my website, androidandy.uk. There is also a forum. Come and say hello on the forum. If you've got any questions about things, or request me to review things, or anything else, just come and have a chat on the forum.